Blackbaud CRM is a powerful solution designed to help organizations manage their fundraising efforts, donor relationships, and overall community engagement. This comprehensive tutorial provides an overview of Blackbaud CRM, highlighting its features, benefits, and how it can optimize fundraising for nonprofits, educational institutions, and healthcare organizations. If you're new to this platform, this video will walk you through its capabilities and why it's a preferred choice for managing complex fundraising operations. So Blackbaud CRM is a cloud-based constituent relationship management system tailored for organizations that rely heavily on donor contributions and community engagement. It merges fundraising, marketing, and operational tools into a single platform, enabling organizations to streamline processes and focus more on their missions. Designed for scalability, Blackbaud CRM supports organizations of all sizes, from small nonprofits to large enterprises. It's known for its robust analytics, segmentation tools, and ability to manage multi-channel campaigns. Blackbaud CRM empowers teams to not only increase donations, but also strengthen relationships with donors through personalized outreach and data-driven strategies. So for its key features, first is the comprehensive donor management. Blackbaud CRM centralizes donor information, tracking everything from contact details to donation history and engagement levels. This enhances donor relationships by providing a complete view of interactions and enabling personalized communication. Another key feature is the advanced fundraising tools. The platform includes tools for managing major giving, annual campaigns, peer to peer fundraising, and planned giving. It supports online and offline donations. So, this increases fundraising efficiency by automating workflows and optimizing campaign performance through targeted strategies. Another key feature is the marketing and campaign management. So it create and manage multi-channel campaigns, including email, social media, and direct mail, directly within Blackbaud CRM. This expands outreach and improves campaign ROI by enabling precise segmentation and personalized messaging. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics. Blackbaud CRM offers robust analytics and reporting tools that help organizations track key performance indicators, donor trends, and campaign outcomes. This improves decision making with actionable insights and ensures transparency for stakeholders. Another key feature is the scalability and integration. The platform integrates seamlessly with other Blackbaud solutions and third-party tools, supporting growing organizational needs. This provides flexibility for expansion, ensuring the platform adapts to evolving requirements. Another key feature is the event management. Blackbaud CRM helps manage events from registrations to follow-up communications within a single interface. This simplifies event planning while strengthening donor relationships through seamless experiences. So why is Blackbaud CRM a great choice? Blackbaud CRM is a standout solution for organizations looking to streamline their donor management and fundraising effort. Its powerful tools not only save time, but also ensure every interaction with donors is meaningful and effective. Organizations benefit from its ability to handle high volume data, automate repetitive tasks, and provide actionable insights through analytics. Furthermore, Blackbaud CRM's adaptability to different sectors, such as nonprofits, higher education, and healthcare, makes it a versatile choice. Its commitment to providing tools that enhance community engagement and donor satisfaction ensures that organizations can focus on their mission without being bogged down by administrative challenges. So basically, Blockbot CRM is an indispensable tool for organizations aiming to elevate their fundraising and donor management strategies. Its blend of advanced features, scalability, and user-friendly interface ensures that teams can efficiently manage campaigns, build stronger donor relationships, and achieve their goals. Whether you're launching a new campaign or managing long-term donor engagement, Blackbaud CRM equips you with the tools needed to succeed. So investing in Blackbaud CRM is more than just adopting a software solution. It's about adopting a strategic approach to fundraising and community engagement. So by leveraging its capabilities, organizations can amplify their impact and make a lasting difference in their communities. So if you need more information about Blackbaud CRM, you can always go through their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different features that I haven't mentioned. So you'll see a bunch of different features that you can use for your business. They also have this free CRM evaluation toolkit right here. So you can download the free guide. And from here, you'll see reviews from a bunch of different platforms. They also integrate with a bunch of different platforms such as Microsoft, Salesforce, Workday, Gmail, Oracle, and all of that platforms. So you can also schedule a 15-minute discovery call if you really need to use Blackbaud for your business. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.